Question number 14. Two solid steel statues are mathematical similar. We have mathematical similar solids. The smaller statue has height of 12 centimeter and the larger has height of 15 centimeter. The largest statue has mass of 2.5 kilograms. The density of steel is 8 grams per centimeter cube. Calculate the volume of the smaller statue. So now be careful here that we have this one here, density is given in grams, and this larger mass of the largest statue is 2.5 grams. So let's change this into kilograms, right? So times 1000, this will be 2500 grams. Okay, so now we will be looking for the density later. So first of all, we have, you know that we are talking about now volume, right? So volume 1 over volume 2 will be length 1 over length 2 cubed. Okay, so this is the formula that we are going to use. Now we are given the smaller statue has height of 12. So I will take the larger upper and the other one is down here. So we have here volume. First of all, sorry, we have to find out the volume here first. We have density is equal to mass over volume, right? Density is mass over volume. So what will be volume? Volume is going to be mass over density, that is 2500 divided by 8, which gives us like 312.5, right? So now we will have this volumes here. So we have the volume 1 is 312.5. This is the larger over V2. The larger one is going to be 15 cubed over 12 cubed, right? L1 over L. Now cross multiply this, you are going to get V2 as 160. Just cross multiply, then you will get it over here. Okay. Now number 16, students in class P takes a test. These statistics show information about their marks. Lower quartile is 38, median 53, interquartile range, we are given everything. Draw box and whisker plot to represent this information, right? So first of all, we have the lower quartile. Lower quartile is 38. Lower 38 is somewhere here. So as you can see, there are 10 different. So 38 is going to be, I will use here in the middle. This is the lower quartile, right? 38. So we have done this. Median is 53. 53. This is 51, 52, 53. This is the median. Okay. And then we have interquartile range. Interquartile range is 28. That is the difference. Actually, we'll use later. Range is 81. Range is 81. So we want to find out the minimum mark here. So 90, this highest marks is 91 and range is 81, right? So we will find out from here the maximum mark. Maximum mark is going to be 96 minus 81, which is 15. Okay, so 15 is going to be, here we will have the minimum mark here. Minimum mark, this is going to be the minimum, as the value of range is highest minus minimum. So 15 is somewhere here. This is 0, 10, 15 is going to be somewhere here. So we are going to join this one like this. So now we have this. Now we are looking for the upper quartile. So upper quartile is going to be, we have here 38 plus 28. The interquartile range, 38 plus 28, this will give us the upper quartile. So that is going to be 66. 66 is somewhere, this is 65, 66 here, right? Sorry, bear with these lines here. Okay, so now we need have the highest mark. Highest marks we are given 96. 96 is here. And this is 80, 90. right? So just join this. So this is the box and whisker plot. Now part B, students in class Q take the same test. Student in class Q, this is another class, take the same test. For class Q, the median is 49 and the interquartile range is 35. Make two comments comparing the distribution of marks for class P with that of class Q. So now if you see, on average P's performance is better than, as their median is bigger. So as you are given that median, this median is 49 and median here is 53, right? So if you see, on average the performance of class P will be better. So we can see on average class P performs better as their median is bigger than class Q, right? Then second one, if you see, the marks in the class Q are like the range, we are given the range here, range is 35 and range here in this is 81, right? So the marks in class Q varies more. The marks in class Q varies more as the interquartile range is bigger than of Q, than that of Q, right? Now number 16, we have two diagrams. The diagram shows a sphere of radius 6 centimeter and cylinder of height 18 centimeter and radius is r. The volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of the cylinder, right? Calculate the curved surface area of the cylinder. Given the give your answer in terms of pi. We are given the volume formula of the sphere here, 4 by 3 pi r cubed, right? So now what is given? We are given that the volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. So volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cubed and volume of the cylinder is pi r squared h, right? So 4 over 3 into pi into radius here is of the sphere is 6 cubed. Then here we will have pi. The radius is r squared times r squared and h height is 18, right? So from here we will have 4 times 226, 216 pi and pi get cancelled and we will have, this is 18 times 3 we are taking here 54 r squared. So from here r is square root of 4 times 16 over 54. So this comes out to be 4. Value of capital R is 4, right? So now we are looking for the curved surface area. So the curved surface area will be 2 pi RH of the cylinder. That's the formula. So 2 pi, he said answer should be in terms of pi. So we are not substituting the value of pi and R is 4 times 18. So this will be 144 pi. Number 17, solve 3x squared minus 7x minus 16. You must show your answer. You can directly use quadratic formula here. Quadratic formula is minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So b is negative 7 plus minus b square is minus 49 minus 4 times a times 16 over 2a. 7 plus minus 241 over 6. Directly use the calculator. So we got the value of x as 3.75 and minus 1.42. Number 18, we have function gx 4 power x plus 3. Find x when gx is 1. So gx is 1. We are given gx. That means 4x plus 3 is equal to 1. So this 1 I can write it down as 4x power 3 4 power 0, right? So from here, when the base is same, so exponent is going to be also same. So this gives us x equals to negative 3. Okay. Now find g inverse 1 over 16. So g inverse 1 over 16. So we have 4 x 4 power g x. We have to find out g inverse x first of all now. So 4 power x plus 3 equals to this g16. You calculate g inverse 16. This comes out to be negative 4. So that gives us x plus 3 equals to minus 2. So from here x is equal to negative 5. Number 19, we have this universal set given. Then P is odd number, Q multiples of 3. And find P intersection Q intersection R. So P odd numbers. What are the odd numbers here? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? Multiples of 3 are 3, 6 and 9. Square numbers are 1. Then we have 9, right? So we are looking for intersection. If you see, 9 is common in all these three. So its answer is 9. Q union R. Q and R. We are taking all the numbers from here. 1, 3, 6 and 9. So 1. So sorry, I missed here square number 4 also. 4 is also there here. 1, 3, 4, 6 and 9. Now find this Q. Okay, so let's split this. Number of we are looking for number of elements of P intersection Q union R. Q union R dash. Q union R we are going to take. Q union R is here we have. So except these, the other ones are 2, 5, 7, 8 and 10. And we are looking for n number of elements in P. P is the we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? And we are looking for intersection of this 2, 5, 7, 8 and 10. So what do you see common here? Intersection of this is P. Where is P? Odd numbers. Intersection. This is R. So we have 7 here, right? 7 and what else? 5. 5 and 7. Okay, 5 and 7 is common in both. And the number of elements, they are 2. Okay. Now we have here question number 20. The diagram shows two right angle triangles PQS and RQT. PQS and QTS are straight lines. Calculate QTR. QTR, where is it? This one, right? We are looking for this one. So now we have, this is 28, right? So I can find out the value of, okay, let's say this is x. Okay, we use this right angle triangle. So by SOHCAHTOA we will have from here sine 28 from here will be equals to x over 18. Okay, so x will be sine 28 times 18. So this is 8.4505, right? And we are looking for now So this is our x. Okay, so this is our x and we need this value now. So if we find out this here from here, so we got the value of x. Sorry guys, I'm making a mistake here. Let me redo this one. So x is this one here, pq. We are using SOHCAHTOA here. Wait. Right, we are using this one. So this is opposite, this is the angle, opposite is SQ, and this SQ is x. I've taken this XQ as x. Then we have this x is 8.4505, right? So then we are looking for ST. Now what is TQ? TQ is going to be, because this length is 4, so that is going to be 8.4505 minus 4, that will give us 4.4505, right? So now we will go here, and now we have this length, we found it, and we have this length, then we can find out this angle as theta. So we can use here tangent theta. As you can see, we have opposite and we want to involve the adjacent side here. So then we will have tan theta is opposite. Opposite is 9 over this TQ. TQ is 4.4505, right? So this comes out to be 63.7. So 63.7 degrees. Now 21, the graph of this is shown on the grid. Show that this can be written as this, and okay, by drawing suitable straight line, solve the equation. Show that this can be written as okay. So you just need to expand, nothing else actually here. Y is equal to x plus 2, then x minus squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That's the formula that I have applied over here. So then you expand it again. So this will be, x will be multiplied throughout, x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus plus, then 2 will be multiplied throughout here, 2x squared minus 4x plus 2. Now you simplify this, x cubed, then this 2x squared is cancelled, and this is minus 3x plus 2. So see, this is can be written as, so you write hence proved. Okay, now by drawing suitable lines, solve this. Now we have 2x cubed minus 5x equals to 0. Okay, so we have here okay, we need 2x cubed, but y is this, so I'm writing here y is x cubed minus 3x plus 2. This question is a bit tricky actually. You see, this is 4 marks question. So we need 2y. So if I multiply here by 2, I'm going to get here 2x cubed minus 6x plus 4, right? So then what we need, this is equal to 0. We are given that this is 0, and we are looking for 5x, so that we need to have a line here. So this from here, if I write here 2y, right, shift 4 to other side, this will become negative 2y minus 4, then we have here 2x cubed minus 6x. I can write it down as minus 5x minus x. Is that okay? So I've just split it up. So from here now we need this one, right, this thing, and put everything on other side. Minus 4 plus x equals to now this thing is 0, right? This is 0. So we have this equation now. So from here we can say this is 2y equals to 4 minus x. So this is now our line, right? So we take the table of values for this one. So that is going to be, let me just take like 2-3 values, x and y. When x is 0, y is going to be 4, right? and when y is 0, x is going to be, this is going to be 0 equals to 4 minus x. So x is, when y is 0, x is 4, right? So that will give us the, and to draw the graph here, when x is 0, y is 4. When x is 0, y is wait, when x is 0, y is not 4. Here x is 0, y will be 2, y will be, from here 2y will be 4 minus 0, and y will be 2, sorry. So y is going to be 2 here. This is not 4, this is going to be 2. When x is 0, y is 2, we have this point here. Here, and when y is 0, x was 4. Y 0, x is 4. x4 we don't have actually, so x4 going to, we have to take the little less value here. We have x is 2 here. Let's say what will happen if we take x as 2. So if x is 2, what will be y? If x is 2, then 2y equals to 4 minus 2. So 2y, this is 2, and y is equal to 1, right? So when x is 2, y is 1. So when x is 2, y is 1. And now it will not be easy for me to draw this line over here. You guys can use your ruler to draw this value. Okay, then we have these 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. So find out those 3 points that will give you the value of x. This comes out to be exactly, I can't show here, so when you draw the graph with ruler, you will see this comes out to be negative 1.1.59, right? Here you need to go down here, this is 0 here, which is clear, and then another one. These 3 values of x will be the solution, right? Now number 23, this is the last question of this paper. We have this, find the value of p and the value of k. So now you just compare, this is not that, you see this is 2 marks, very easy question. So if you see, this is here, this can be written as x minus 5. Okay, let's just expand this one. So this will be x squared minus 10x plus 25, right? So I'm rewriting this. This is going to be x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus k, and this is equal to x squared minus px minus 21. So when you compare this, we have here coefficient, right? Negative p equals to negative 10. So p is 10. So p is 10. Okay, p is 10. Now the constant is here k plus 25. K plus 25 is equal to negative 21. So k is negative 21 minus 25, which is negative 46, right? So that's what we are going to write down over here. So that's it for this paper. I hope you guys understood everything. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and I will wait for your comments in the comment section. Be blessed guys. See you in the next video.